Imagine if your ideas could instantly turn into images, videos, or even 3D objects without complex software or technical skills. That's exactly what Cre AI is designed to do. Cre AI is an advanced creative platform that allows users to generate, edit, and enhance visual content using artificial intelligence. It combines powerful AI tools in one place, making content creation faster and easier for creators, marketers, and designers. Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and a quick reminder for all my viewers, this video is created for educational and informational purpose only. Features, pricing and performance of the platform may change over time. Always review official resources and evaluate tools according to your own creative and professional needs. So first of all, I will explain what is Cre AI. Viewers, Cre AI is an all-in-one AI creative suite where users can generate images, videos, and 3D content using simple text prompts or existing visuals. The platform focuses on helping users produce high-quality digital content quickly and efficiently. It supports multiple AI models and allows creators to access various creative tools from one dashboard, reducing the need to switch between different platforms. The system is designed for both beginners and professionals, offering simple, user-friendly interface. Now we will discuss key features of Cre AI. Viewers, with Cre AI, users can create images by simple describing what they want. The platform offers text to image and real-time image generation features, allowing creators to adjust design instantly while working. It supports thousands of visual styles and high-resolution outputs, helping users create professional-looking images for marketing, social media, or design projects. Cree AI also provides advanced video creation tools. Users can generate videos from text prompts, animate images, or apply motion transfer technology to make characters move naturally. The platform integrates multiple powerful video models, giving users flexible options to create engaging video content. Another powerful feature of Cre AI is its ability to generate 3D objects from text or images. This helps designers and developers quickly build digital assets for games, advertising, or product visualizations. Cree AI allow users to improve and edit content easily. Users can upscale images and videos to very high resolution, remove or add objects, change styles, and adjust lighting or expression using AI editing tools. The platform also lets users train AI models with their own images or styles. This means creators can generate consistent branding, characters, or design styles whenever they need. Viewers, one of Cree's AI biggest strength is its real-time generation. Users can see changes instantly while working, which makes creative experimentation faster and more interactive. This feature helps creators test ideas quickly and prove results without waiting for long process time. So here you can check out its different features like AI image generation, AI video generation, AI 3D generation, AI image enhancements, AI video enhancements, AI fine tuning and file management. Here you can also check out other features like video generator, upscalers, and many more. Here you can also check out that Cree AI is useful for many types of users, including content creators, YouTubers, digital marketers and advertisers, designers and artists, businesses and branding teams, developers and product designers. The platform offers different subscription plans, including a free version. Here you can find out viewers different pricing plan have been offered, and here you can also check out the basic plan starting with us 9 US dollar per month, and you can find out 5,000 compute units per month, and pro plan with pricing 35 US dollar per month and with 20,000 compute units, and the max plan with 105 US dollar per month with 60,000 compute units per month. Here you can find out business plan with 200 US dollar per month, and you can also check out 80,000 compute units. And for the enterprise, it provides you customizable pricing plan. You can contact sales department and everything in business pulse custom terms of services. you can find out. And here you can also check out a comparative chart of plans and their features. It will be useful for you to decide which pricing plan is according to your needs. If you have any question, you can find out detailed answer. Viewers, here you can also check out the Cree most powerful AI suite for creators. Cre AI is trusted by millions of users worldwide and is used by individuals, businesses, and large organizations to create digital visual content efficiently. Cre AI combines multiple creative tools into a single platform instead of using separate software for design, video editing, and AI generation. Users can complete all tasks in one workspace. Its simple interface and fast processing help creators focus more on ideas rather than technical complexity. So here, for example, I uploaded a start frame, a picture. Here you can find out I gave a prompt, Monica dancing joyfully, and within second, Cre AI prepared a video clip for me according to my start frame and according to my prompt. So in this way it works, and I really have been amazed by the performance of this platform. It looks very stunning and it produces amazing results. Viewers, Cre AI is shaping the future of digital content creation by making advanced AI creative tools accessible to everyone. Whether you are designing images, creating videos, or building 3D content, this platform offers powerful solutions in a simple and practical way. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more informative content like this. And at the end, I would like to recommend all my viewers to follow the social media communities of Cre AI like Instagram. You can also follow Cre AI on Twitter. Thanks for watching. See you next time.